use your voice wisely. There's a verse in the Bible in Philippians chapter 4 verse 29. It says that, "Do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen." Words are powerful. They may seem small, but they have the power to build trust or destroy relationships, to encourage someone or discourage them, to bring healing or cause deep pain. Many of the problems we see today begin with careless words. Many people speak first and think later. They pause while they're angry, argue without listening, criticize without considering how the words affect others. The world often encourages people to say whatever you feel, but God's word teaches us something different. Your words reveal what is in your heart. You know what? The Bible tells us that for the mouth speaks what the heart is full of. This means that our words are not just random. They reveal what is happening inside us. If our hearts are filled with anger, pride, jealousy, or bitterness, those things will eventually come out through our speech. We may try to hide our true feelings, but sooner or later, our words expose what is really in our hearts. This is why changing our speech begins with changing our hearts. Many people try to control the words without allowing God to change what is inside them. God is not only interested in changing what comes out of your mouth. He wants to transform your heart so that your words naturally reflect His love and truth. When your heart belongs to Christ, your words will begin to reflect Him.